Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle.
So the vehicle featured today is our approved used Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition 35 TFSI with the S-drive transmission. This particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos Black metallic paintwork, which is really giving it that standout appearance. Now, as you look towards the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, the vehicle does benefit from the additional sporty styling at the front and also at the rear. Besides this, the Black Edition package does cover the black window surrounds, black exhaust tips and black front grille and badges. Moving on now to the exterior key features, where we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the wheels now, we find these exceptional 19-inch trapezoid diamond cut alloys, a part of the Audi Sport range, and they do really complement the black paint. Now to the side of the vehicle, there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, so continuing the overall blacked out theme. Now moving into the rear boot space of the A3 Saloon, where we do find up to 425 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is fold down for added comforts, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. Rear passengers do have ventilation, as well as being able to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and high quality interior, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean the seats are full leather with the additional white stitching, and you have the S logos. Above now we do find the virtual cockpit, which is featured in 2 digital rev counters. Besides this, you can also access the satellite navigation, telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle information. To the centre of the dashboard we find the impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, and does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this now we do find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, does have a bright LED display.
So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.